So today we're going to be covering this perfume. This is our recommended. It's 9 p.m. by Afman. It's a very heavy bottle. This is a 30 price point range. It's a very nice perfume. Okay. Your notes for this perfume, there's a lot of vanilla. It's very like a light vanilla. It's not a burnt vanilla. No, it's a flowery, light bergamot vanilla. There's a bit of cinnamon, but it's mostly vanilla.
Full disclosure, what we're doing here is sharing our opinion, or own personal opinion about these products after testing and using the products. We're not affiliated with or associated with in any shape or way or benefit from the sales of these products. We're not authorized to give advice on the product or market the product. If you do consume and use the product, you do so at your own risk.
So if you like more of the flowery vanilla scent, then this is going to be for you.
That's what I've been smelling all this time. I just say it's a manly. I just say it's a manly.
It's more of a manly vanilla. It's definitely not feminine.
You know, Star, what the 9 p.m. is mostly compared with from time to time is it is mostly compared with the Jean-Paul Gaultier. Actually, you could tell that I love Jean-Paul Gaultier, right? You can see how much of this bottle I've used. This 9 p.m. is the Jean-Paul Gaultier, and look at it. Do you see how sturdy it is? The bottle is nice. The packaging, the cap, the bottle is very thick. And this 9 p.m. is often compared in most cases with the Jean-Paul Gaultier, except it's on steroids. When I wear the 9 p.m., people always come from wide and far. I mean, this is like a monster. You just need a couple dabs of it. But people come from wide and far, seeking me out, asking me what I'm wearing. And it's a very cheap cologne. It's affordable.
That's definitely more of a manly perfume.
I'll give you a story about this. Just last week, I was wearing this. I was at the port. I went in the office. I went in the office at the port, and I came out of the office, went to the warehouse, and not a man, but a lady chased me down. Well, like, what are you wearing? I was like, I'm not wearing anything expensive. I'm wearing a little $30 cologne. And she's like, oh, I gotta have it. And so I gave it to her on Amazon. All right, so what's our honorable mention today?
Today, our honorable mention is Pie by Givenchy. That is the name in the label. And it's this lovely bottle. It's more heavy. This is a more expensive perfume, which is why it's an honorable mention. It's in the $50 range. So it's definitely more expensive than the perfume that we recommended to you previously. It's another vanilla perfume. Okay. It's a very nice scent. It's a lot lighter than the other two vanillas we've recommended you, especially the one for today. Very pretty bottle.
Yeah, this is a much older fragrance. This has been around for a while. I could remember using this in my 20s. I could remember who gave it to me too in my 20s. The thing about cologne is that you always remember. Once you smell it, you remember who gave it to you. It's pretty cool. Can I have a smell? Let me smell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's sweet and strong.
Very strong. It's a very strong perfume.
Yeah, that one is a relatively pricey one, but a very good oldie but goodie. Yep.